hesitant. Are you ready to get this show on the road? All right, ladies and gentlemen, introducing our first rider into the arena this afternoon. He's going to be riding that red bike, the Honda 450, and he comes to us all the way from Twin Falls, Idaho. You guys may have seen him the last 9 years at the Winter X Games. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Willie Elam. The next rider you guys are going to meet this afternoon is going to be the guy riding that blue bike, the Yamaha YZ250. He comes to us from a long ways away, all the way from Toronto, Canada, and we're super pumped to have him down here at the fair with us. He's got a big bag of tricks, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy watching him throw down for us this afternoon. If you would, help me out here making him feel at home. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Tyler Davidson. And last but definitely not least, if you guys have been here at the Alameda County Fair the last few years, if you've seen our show before, then you're definitely going to remember the guy on the green bike. He's our local boy here at the fair this year, or kind of local anyways. He's our California guy, let's go that route. He makes his home in Redding, California, and believe me when I tell you, this guy has done it all in the world of freestyle motocross, from TV commercials to movies to competitions all over the world. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Redding, California's Nick Get Her Done. All right, you guys, we're going to turn these boys loose and let them show you what the Keith Sayers Freestyle Motocross team is all about. I'm telling you guys one thing this afternoon, the louder you guys get, the bigger and badder these boys are going to go. It's our last show of the day, so these guys aren't going to be holding back at all. The louder we get, the more fun we're all going to have. Starts us off with a big old knack-knack. Hanging off of that Honda 450, one leg off. Right behind him is Tyler Davidson and his Shaolin Barha, squeezing his entire body through that little window up above his number plate. Now it's the California boy, Nick Dunn, coming in. And Nick Dunn with the one-handed heart attack, hanging on to that 220-pound dirt bike with just his first. Now it's Willie Elam getting in on the action with a big switchblade can. Coming in next, gonna be the Yamaha of Toronto's Tyler Davidson. And Davidson with an Indy out toward the air, hanging onto that fender with one hand, throwing both legs out Indy off the side of his bike. Now it's Nick Dunn again. Nick Dunn with a monster cliffhanger. Tucking his feet up under the handlebars and throwing his arms all the way up into the California sun. Right behind him with a one-hand Superman, hanging onto that Honda with just one set of fingertips over 30 feet on the ground. Here comes Davidson now, and Davidson with a dead body. Once again, squeezing his whole frame through that little window up above his number plate and stretching one out over 30 feet off the ground. Here comes Nick Dunn out of Redding, California again. And that is pretty uncommon for Nick. I know he was going for a 9 o'clock nap there, but something's just not quite feeling right when he took off. But it feels all right for Willie Elam as he throws out a massive double grab. Now it's Davidson on that Yamaha YZ250, and Davidson with a stale fish switchblade. What do you guys think of these boys so far? You guys like what you're seeing? Alright, Nick Dunn again, and Nick Dunn with a ridiculous super can. Both legs way off the side of the bike, straight up in the air. It's Willie Elam, and Elam with an Indy out double grab. Up next, the kid all the way from Toronto, Canada, riding that blue bike, Tyler Tyler Davidson, and Davidson getting up there and not liking what he was feeling on that one. Here comes once again the Kawasaki of Redding, Nick Dunn. Oh, one of my favorites. We call that one the Captain Win. Nick Dunn invented that trick. You'll see a lot of guys do it, but nobody does it like California's own Nick Dunn. With a one-handed heart attack. Pleasanton, if you're having some fun out there, let these boys hear it. Now it's Davidson with a switchblade can as Nick Dunn spins around, eyeing up that 75-foot gap from ramp to ramp, and here he comes. Nick Dunn with the no-handed candy bar. 1 foot over the fender, both arms up to the side. What do you guys think of this kid out of Redding, California? And Willie Elam snapping off a giant kiss of death. Standing that Honda straight up and down, throwing his feet all the way to the sky. Behind him, Tyler Davidson taking a page right out of Elam's book. What do you guys think of the guy right in that blue light out there? Nick Dunn with one of the most technical upright tricks in the book. Pleasanton, let these boys hear it out there. How many of you folks out there are ready to see these boys get upside down this afternoon? Oh, you gotta do better than that, Pleasanton. If you want to see some backflips, you better stand up and make some noise for these boys. All right, Willie Elam coming in all the way from Twin Falls. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Willie Elam, but he's looking down at his bike like he might have a flat tire. Something's going on with Willie Elam's bike. He's going to go check it out. Tyler Davidson going to pull off another perfect backflip as Nick Dunn spins around. If you guys are taking pictures out, video, now is the time. Nick Dunn upside down, both hands off the bars, and I'll tell you guys what, here's where it starts to get heavy, and Nick Dunn gonna start pulling out all the stops for you guys. Making a quick adjustment down there on the ramp is Tyler Davidson, and got just a little bit of issue with the turf maybe. The ramp might be sliding a tiny bit. But that is not going to get in the way of these boys throwing down for us here this afternoon as Nick Dunn spins around. And here he comes, eyeing up over 75 feet. And Nick Dunn! Are you kidding me? Upside down, not just a neck, not just a backflip. We call that one a neck flip. And Nick Dunn has him on lockdown here in the action zone. Now it's Davidson coming in again. And Davidson with the no-handed backflip. Redding, California's Nick Dunn spinning it around. He's got his flip levers up. That means we got a big one coming. Three-trick combo. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Dunn pulling out all the stops.
Definitely better than
right here at the Alameda County Fair. Tyler Davidson coming into the action next, and Davidson getting under one. We call that one a classic whip. And Davidson looking good with it here in the action zone. Now it's Nick Dunn coming in. And Nick Dunn with the Cordova backflip now. Another massive two-trick combo for Redding's Nick Dunn. Uh-oh, I hear some noise out there. Davidson with a double grab. And Nick Dunn spins it around. One more here from Nick Dunn. Nick Dunn and his Indy flip. I hear some noise out there. Uh-oh. Willie Elam is back. He parked that red machine, and now it looks like he wants to jump his snowmobile. What do you guys think about that? How many of you guys want to see Willie launch that 500-pound snowmobile out here this afternoon? All right, Willie Elam out of Twin Falls, Idaho. I told you guys he's been in the X Games 9 times. What I didn't tell you is he's done it jumping snowmobiles. And Willie Elam out here in the middle of summer. Now's the time, Pleasanton. If you want to see him pull a big trick out, you gotta make some noise for Willie Elam. And here he comes, spinning it around one more time over 75 feet. Willie Elam, ladies and gentlemen. How about some noise for the kid out of Twin Falls, Idaho? And here's how we're going to wrap things up for you guys in grand fashion with some freestyle motocross trains. We're going to get them all in the air at the same time, one after the next. And here they come. Tyler Davidson.